Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some hair that I ordered from AliExpress. Rosa Beauty official store, okay? So that's where this hair is from. I ordered 4 bundles and a closure, and it is the Peruvian straight bundles with a closure, and it is Remy Hair. I paid $2.76 for all of this. That's in the bag. What I did was I opened one package of the hair. So all 4 bundles are in 26 inches. And I opened up one of them and I co-washed it, and I'm letting it dry naturally. So let's jump into it. So let's open it up. But it comes in this really nice silk bag. Just telling you about the hair, so yeah, and if you give 5-star something. This video is not sponsored, so that doesn't really matter. So I ordered 4 bundles of 26 inches. So now this is the bundle that I took out of the package and I co-washed, and I wanted to show you guys what it's gonna look like after it's dried. I wanted to feel the difference. There was something that I read on the description of the item that I wanted to share with you guys. So sometimes if you look in the description box of the item, it will say whether or not it's been chemically treated, if it's virgin hair, Remy hair, whatever, right? So this hair did say it was chemically straightened as far as like the treatment. First bundle that I washed. So now I'm going to show you what it comes looking like originally. Like I said, I ordered 4 bundles, and this is what they look like in the package. Really long, 26 inches. Yeah, so they all come marked 26 inches. Nothing fancy about the packaging. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And what I noticed, I took the hair outside, there was a lot of different color strands, like brown tones in the hair. I'm pretty sure my camera will not pick up on this, but throughout the hair, there are a lot of colored pieces. Natural color, it's not black, but it looks black to the eye. But if you really put it up to some light, it's not gonna look black. But it is soft, and my hands run right through it. There is no shedding. This hair feels very good too. But this is just the initial unboxing portion of the video, so you can't really rely on what I'm saying too much. You're gonna have to come back for the actual initial review and the future reviews that I do on the hair. So now comparing the 2 bundles that I opened up, as you can see, it's pretty full to the tip. Like, it's not that thin on the tip, which I like, and the ends dried beautifully on the one that I co-washed. I want to show you guys that. The ends look very healthy. The hair feels very soft. It doesn't feel frayed or fried. Fray or fried? I don't know if that's a thing. But yeah, that's what it looks like. So that's after I scrunched it up a little bit and I towel dried it. So it is gonna hold a little bit of a wave. 26 inches, definitely gonna be touching my butt when I install it. So I am planning on installing it into a wig, a closure wig. Like I said, I don't want the frontal because for my go-to hairstyle, I like straight hair. So that's usually what I do. I usually wear straight hair. Now, if you guys are wondering what this hair is, where this hair is from, it is pretty old. This wig is over a year old. This is the hair from Ali Queen Mall. I haven't had any bad experiences from Ali Queen Mall. I've just had a bad experience from Ali Queen AliExpress. So that's that. So this is the 4 bundles. They all look the same. They all feel the same. They're all the same length. And there's a nice luster to the hair. It's very soft. No shedding. They all look gorgeous. There's nothing on there. There's no fluff. There's no nothing. It's very clean, very tidy. So you might be able to pick up on some of the color. "20-inch closure." And I don't remember if it was anything HD or anything like that. It was just brown, and I actually really like this color of the brown is very close to my skin tone. Wow, you guys, I'm actually so impressed. I'm like really impressed. The construction of the closure looks really nice. I did order a middle part. I usually order a free part, but this time I wanted to order a middle part. That's usually where I part my hair. Right now it's in a middle part. So that's what it looks like. You can see some of the other color hairs that are in it. And it doesn't seem to have much flyaway right now. It does feel a little dry towards the end, actually, now that I'm feeling it. Let me see if I can show you guys. So yeah, the ends feel a tad bit dry. I like the lace color. This is gonna look perfect. This is gonna look like an HD frontal on me. The knots are obviously not bleached, so I will go ahead and bleach the knots. That's the closure. And I'm gonna compare the color. They all match. So the front, the closure, and the hairs on the weft, the tracks, all match. I'm gonna come back and tell you guys honestly what my opinions are, if they've changed. But as of right now, this is what my unboxing experience is. And I'm pretty satisfied. We can't wait to make this into a wig and come back and share that with you guys soon. So guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It definitely helps me to create more content for you guys. If you purchase this hair and you've had good experiences or bad experiences with this company, let me know. Until next time, guys, peace.